Hey guys, Steve here with Clean Air Columbia. Hey, I just want to take a quick minute here, make a real short video just to talk about a few things about air filtration and air purifiers and that sort of thing. Obviously, there's a lot of stuff going on right now, and there's a lot of people trying to protect their family the best that they can, and make sure that their house is safe and healthy, and the air that we're breathing is good and safe. So I don't know about you, but I've had a lot of pop-ups on my computer and on my phone, things like that about UV lights, and been a lot of conversation about UV lights and how they kill viruses and things like that. And so I just want to address that just real quick because we use UV lights. We install some of them sometimes, but we also use another product that is a ionizer that puts out ions. So one of the reasons we use that instead of the UV lights, we actually use the UV lights a lot of times. It just depends on what your goal is. If your goal is to make sure that your air conditioner coil right above your furnace there in the ductwork, if you want to make sure your air conditioner coil is staying nice and clean, then a UV light is a great product. The issue with trying to clean the air with a UV light is that the air isn't in the UV light stream long enough. A molecule has to stay in that beam of light for about 4 seconds before it will actually break down those cells. So air travels through your ductwork, and it travels, it's probably going to go about 4 or 5 feet every second. So it's not in that beam of light long enough for a UV light to be effective to kill viruses and bacteria and that sort of thing, as the air is just traveling. Now, if you're just shining it on a flat stationary surface, they work great. They do a great job. But that's why we like to use the ionizers instead. So just a little bit of food for thought. Do a little research on things before you make a choice. If you have any questions on any of that kind of stuff, feel free to reach out to us, and we can definitely answer any questions you might have, and try to get you in the right direction. So thanks a lot, guys, and stay safe out there. And if there's anything we can do, just give us a shout.